Students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss some important numericals. Now, numerical number 1. Find maximum horizontal range. Maximum horizontal find maximum horizontal range for a given speed for a given speed u of the object Now the value of horizontal range, the value of horizontal range depend upon angle of projection angle of projection theta. Once again, I am repeating the question. Find maximum horizontal range for a given speed u of the object. The value of horizontal range depend upon angle of projection theta. This is the question. Now, solution. Horizontal range R, capital R, will be maximum if sine 2 theta is equal to maximum, that is equal to sine 90, because sine 90 is equal to maximum, because sine 90 value is equal to 1. That means 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. Here 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Once again I am repeating. Horizontal range R will be maximum if sine 2 theta is equal to maximum, that is equal to sine 90 degrees, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, maximum horizontal range maximum horizontal range maximum horizontal range R M is equal to U square by G sine 2 into 45. Therefore, R maximum is equal to U square by G into sine 90 degrees. Therefore, R maximum is equal to U square by G into what is sine 90? 1. Therefore, R maximum is equal to U square by G. This is about the maximum horizontal range. Okay, now go to the next numerical. Now, numerical number 2. Numerical number 2. A football player a football player kicks a ball at an angle of at an angle of 30 degrees with an initial speed speed of 20 meter per second, assuming that the ball travels in a vertical plane Now calculate point number 1. The time at which the time at which the ball reaches reaches the highest point. The highest point. Now, point number 2. The maximum height reached. The maximum height reached. The maximum height reached. Point number 3. The horizontal range of the ball. The horizontal range. The horizontal range of the ball. Now, point number 4. The time for which the time for which the ball is in the air. Now, G is equal to 10 meter per second square. My dear students, once again I am repeating the question. Pay attention. A football player kicks a ball at an angle of 30 degrees with an initial speed of 20 meter per second. Assuming that the ball travels in a vertical plane, calculate point number 1. The time at which the ball reaches the highest point. Point number 2. The maximum height reached. Point number 3. The horizontal range of the ball. Point number 4. The time for which the ball is in the air. Given acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 10 meter per second square. This is the question. Now we have to solve point by point. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. Now go for solution. Given theta is equal to 30 degrees and u is equal to 20 meter per second, and also acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter per second square. Once again, the given theta is equal to 30 degrees, u is equal to 20 meter per second, g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now point number 1. The time taken by the ball to reach the highest point. highest point, that is small t, is equal capital T by 2, that is equal u sin theta whole by g, that is equal, what is u? U is equal to 20. 20 by g means 10. G means 10 into sin theta means sin 30 degrees. That is equal, here 2 into, what is sin 30? 1 by 2. That is equal to 1. Therefore, small t is equal to 1 second. Once again, the time taken by the ball to reach the highest point means time of ascent. The time of ascent t is equal to t by 2. Total time of flight by 2. That is u sin theta by g. That is equal to u means 20, g means 10, sin theta means sin 30 degrees. Now here 2 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 1. Therefore, small t is equal to 1 second. Now, point number 2. Maximum height. Maximum height, that is h is equal to u square sin square theta whole by 2g, that is equal to 20 whole square into sin square 30 degrees whole by 2 into, what is g value? 10. Once again I am repeating, the maximum height h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2z, that is equal to, u means 20, 20 whole square, sin square theta means 30 degrees, 30 degrees whole by 2 into 10. Therefore, maximum height h is equal to 5 meters. Now, once again, the maximum height h is equal to 5 meters. Now, point number 3. Point number 3. The horizontal range of the ball. The horizontal range of the ball. What is the horizontal range formula? R is equal u square sin 2 theta whole by g, that is equal, what is u? U is equal 20 whole square sin 2 into, what is theta? Theta is equal 30 degrees whole by, what is g value? 10, that is equal 20 into 20 by 10 into sin 60 degrees, that is equal 40 into, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2, that is equal 20 root 3. Therefore, the horizontal range is equal 20 root 3 meters. Now point number 4, the time of flight. The time of flight. The time of flight. The time of flight which is denoted by capital T. What is the time of flight formula? T is equal to U sin theta whole by G. That is equal to 2 into 20 into sin 30 degrees whole by, what is G value? 10. That is equal 4 into, what is sin 30? 1 by 2. That is equal 2 seconds. Okay, once again, the time of flight T is equal to 2u sin theta by G. 2 into u value is equal to 20 meter per second. Sin 30 degrees, G value is equal to 10. That is equal to 4 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 seconds. This is about the time taken by the ball to reach the highest point, maximum height, horizontal range and time of flight. These 4 points we discuss in this video. Next, numerical number 3. Find the angle of projection . Find the angle of projection at which horizontal range and maximum height are equal. Once again, I am repeating. Find the angle of projection at which horizontal range and maximum height are equal. This is the question. This is very, very important question. Now, solution. Once again, I am repeating the question. Find the angle of projection at which horizontal range and maximum height are equal. Now, write down horizontal range, is equal to maximum height. Once again, horizontal range is equal to maximum height. What is horizontal range? U square sine 2 theta whole by G is equal to U square sine square theta whole by 2G. Once again, U square sine 2 theta by G is equal to U square sine square theta by 2G. Now g going to be cancelled. U square cancel. Now we have sine 2 theta is equal sine square theta by 2. Therefore 2 into sine 2 theta is equal to sine square theta. Therefore 2 into what is sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta is equal to sine theta cos theta is equal sine theta into sine theta, that is equal 4 into sine theta into cos theta is equal to sine theta into sine theta. Now sine theta cancel. Therefore 4, the sine theta cancel. Therefore 4 cos theta is equal sine theta. Now 4 is equal sine theta by cos theta. Therefore 4 is equal tan theta. Therefore 4 is equal tan theta. Tan theta is equal 4. Theta is equal tan inverse 4. Therefore theta is equal 75 degrees 58 minutes. So like that, if we have to solve the numerical, if r is equal h, then theta is equal 75 degrees 58 minutes. So my dear students, I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.